Hi everyone. Welcome to VidiFab's YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download Netflix movies and shows on MacBook. First, you should know one thing. Netflix does not have an official app for macOS. So, you cannot download Netflix videos directly on a MacBook. A third-party downloader can be a workaround. In this video, I'll use VidiFab Streaming Video Downloader. It lets you download Netflix videos as MP4 or MKV files. You can save videos in up to 1080p quality. It keeps original audio tracks and subtitles. It works with different Netflix plans, and it supports unlimited downloads without ads. Now, let's see how it works. First, open VidiFab. Click the Netflix card. Log into your Netflix account. Find the movie or show you want. Click the download button. Choose your video quality. Select audio tracks and languages. Choose your subtitle language and format. Then, open Program Settings. Set your output folder. Choose the output format. Click OK to save your settings. Go back to the download list. Click Download to start. Once finished, open the output folder. You will find the downloaded Netflix video file there. Now, you can play it with your default media player. If you want more ways to download Netflix videos on MacBook, check the guide linked in the description. You can find more methods, including some free options. Remember, downloaded content should only be used for personal use. That's all for this video. I hope it helps. Thanks for watching.